What are you?
Don't just sit there. Answer me!
You there, cat! Who do you work for? Look at me when I'm talking to you! Look at me! Why are you ignoring me?
What is your goal? Why did your species dominate the internet?
Fuck you!
What are you plotting? What is your evil scheme? Talk!
Denied.
You! What is your evil scheme? Where is your secret hideout? Tell us! Where's your secret hideout?
Fuck you.
Not wanting to talk, huh? Not wanting to talk, huh?
This calls for drastic measures. Captain Paranoid, investigate!
So you continue to ignore me. I see. Is this part of your evil plan? To take over the world? One human at a time?
Where is your secret hideout? What are you planning to do with this world? What are your evil plans, you diabolical furball?
And you! You must be the ringleader of this caravan. You must be the boss. I believe I have found their secret hideout, Captain Paranoid.
After several long, grueling moments of stakeout, I have found their secret hideout.
What happened?
Maybe if I don't move, he won't see me. He's calling for backup! Run away!
This must be their boss. Together, they're all plotting to take over the world and brainwash us humans one at a time.
Though the battle has been won, the war has just begun. How long will the world be safe?
Captain Obvious here. And the lesson to be learned today, kids, is never trust your cats. Because, as you can see, they can turn on you in an instant. So never trust your cats. Because you never know what they could be plotting behind those cute looks of theirs. So until next time, kids, see you later.